Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading The Sunflower Sword by Mark Sperring. The Sunflower Sword by Mark Sperring. Once there was a land filled with fire and smoke and endless fighting, where knights fought dragons and dragons fought knights, and that was the way it had always been. In this land there lived a knight who wanted to be like the other knights and fight like the other knights and have a sword like the other knights. But his mother said he couldn't. "Why do you want a sword?" she asked. "To whoosh and swoosh in the air," smiled the little knight. Said the mother as he hurried off to find a sunflower. "Well," sighed the little knight, "I suppose I could pretend it's a sword." Then he whooshed and swooshed it, just to see how well it whooshed and swooshed. It whooshed and swooshed very well. "But," said the little knight, "it won't be any good for fighting dragons." "No," sighed his mother, "I don't suppose it will, but keep it anyway." So the little knight trundled up Dragon Hill, a place where only the biggest, bravest knights ever went. He played happily all day. The sunflower sword swung his way and slew not one, not two, but 3 imaginary dragons. Suddenly, the air crackled with heat. Smoke boiled all round, and there stood something full of fire and flame in a fight to be fought. A real dragon. The little knight has no choice. It was too late to run. So he whooshed and swooshed the sunflower sword. It cut through the air like a fine silver blade. But suddenly, as it swung near him, the dragon saw what it was and reached out to take it. "Could it be," thought the dragon, "has this little knight climbed to the top of Dragon Hill to offer me a flower? Could it be," thought the little knight, "a dragon might not be so fearsome after all?" Then the little knight and the dragon looked at each other and both began to smile. So that's how it happened, as simple as that. From then on, they met each day on Dragon Hill and played much better games than fighting. Soon, the news spread far and wide of how an enemy could become a friend and how the land might become a peaceful place. One by one, the knight laid down their sword, climbed to the top of Dragon Hill, and waited while the little knight's mother looked on and smiled. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.